I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an upper control arm. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on jack stands. Remove the front wheel to access the suspension components. Place a jack stand under the lower control arm for support. Then, loosen the nut on the upper ball joint, but do not remove it completely yet. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth repair process. Next, you'll need to separate the upper ball joint from the steering knuckle. A ball joint separator tool can make this much easier. Then, disconnect the shock absorber from its mounting point on the upper control arm. Be sure to carefully unclip any brake lines or ABS sensor wires that are attached to the control arm to prevent damage. Take your time with these connections. Now, remove the two main mounting bolts that secure the upper control arm to the frame. Once these bolts are out, you can carefully slide the old control arm away from the vehicle. Take your new upper control arm and position it correctly. Insert the mounting bolts, but do not fully tighten them yet. This allows for some adjustment during reassembly. To finish, reconnect the shock absorber to the new control arm and reattach the upper ball joint to the steering knuckle. Secure any brake lines or sensor wires back into their clips. Finally, with the vehicle's weight on the suspension, torque all mounting bolts and the ball joint nut to the manufacturer's specified values. Double-check all connections for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.